What's good, YouTube? It's Tia Marie. I'm back with another hair review. Okay, this time it's from UNice Hair. They're on Aliexpress, Amazon, and I think they have like their own little website. So the hair that I will be reviewing is a 13x6 water wave lace front human hair wig. Okay, I'm really feeling like the curly hair right now. Don't worry, I'm gonna switch it up. So fresh off of the truck. Whew, man, I done let my little sister use my scissors. Tell me why they filthy. Look at that. Anywho, they reached out to me and wanted me to review some hair for them. So here we are with the UNice Hair. It's a cute little box. I have so many of these boxes now. It's like wig after wig after wig. Oh, this looks long. I got mine in 14 inches, but this looks long. Oh, almost said a bad word. Some lashes. These ones actually don't look that bad. Like, I might pop those on, maybe. Wig cap, that is black. And it's this little stuff tell you how to treat the hair that nobody ever listens to. Well, I know I don't, but let's look at the wig. Oh, and if you like this unit, I'm gonna put a little card up because this is from Beauty Forever, and this is the bomb. I've had it in for like a week. Oh, okay. I'm actually happy because I was worried that this one was gonna come out like it was gonna look like this, but this looks good. If I didn't say it before, it is 150 density, 13x6. Ooh. Okay, yeah, no, they don't look the same. That's what's up. 13x6. A lot of good parting space. Normal wig cap construction, 2 combs. No, my bad, 4 combs. 2 combs on the sides, 2 inside like the middle part, and then the little whatever this is called, band. So here's the wig. It stinks, I'm gonna tell you that, but it's cute. Yeah, that I'm gonna need some mousse. And right off the bat, I see a little bit of red strings of hair, so you know what that means when you get a wig with some red in it. It's not all human, but I won't know for sure until I pop this. This curl is pretty. Y'all think that look the same? I don't even care. We're gonna see. So we're gonna pop this on. I will be right back. Let's go. All right, got the hair on. As you can see, it was actually pretty easy to put on. Only thing I have to say is I do notice, you know, little red strings, but the hair is really soft. I think I actually want to wet it to see how it looks wet, but so far so good. I haven't done any baby hairs yet. I haven't looks like I messed up on the lace, but I haven't done any baby hairs, and I didn't pluck anything. All I did was put foundation on like I've been doing for my past couple wigs. You know, I've been a little lazy, but here is let's see, and then the parting space goes all the way back here. Sorry, I noticed I look a hot mess. I'm sorry. But like I said, UNice Hair. If you like this wig, it will be in my bio, my description, whatever you want to call it, like they always are. And this one is 14 inches. Nope, I lied. 16 inches. My bad. So yeah, thank you for tuning in to my video. I really appreciate you. And if you liked it, like, comment, and subscribe, because I just keep doing it. I think this is like my 6th, 7th hair review. So I'm figuring out all of the hair companies. Hope to see you again. Bye.